Okay, hello there my fellow YouTubers, this is Undead504, and I've been working on some software, because y'all know I code in Visual Basic 6.0, but I've been working on some software. I haven't really gave it a name yet. Maybe y'all can give me some ideas, but it's basically voice recognition software. It recognizes your voice and does, pretty much what you say, like you say calculator, it opens up calculator and stuff like that. But, here's a little test. I'm looking for some people that know how to use the Microsoft Direct Speech Recognition OCX. Who's really worked in this kind of field before, because I haven't. Excuse me, but I'm slowly learning. Because I looked on the internet, and this guy had a code snippet or snippet, whatever you want to call it, little piece of code, and I took that, and I'm like, I can't seem to get this to work. So I just scrapped that whole thing and I started working, making my own. This is what it looks like. Because he had said if label 1, I changed it to label 2, but he said if label 1, he said label 1 dot caption equals phrase. And I figured out that phrase is whatever you say. Doesn't take a genius to figure out that's what it is. If you have any Visual Basics coding or whatever experience. Anyway, phrase is whatever it is you say. So if I say calculator, label 2 is going to the caption for label 2 is going to be calculator. So I figured, what if I put if phrase equals calculator? Then open up the program. And yes, I do realize I have 2 shells in there. Had to correct me on that. But, and I noticed I kept getting an error. But it would open the program, it would open up calculator, but I'd get an error, but calculator would still be open. So I figured I could add an error handler, which I did. I put on error, resume next. So nothing really happens, it just opens it up. Anyway, here's a test of what I've been working on. Let me turn it on. You see that on right there? It's white, now it's blue. Notepad. Calculator. Calculator. Oh. And that's basically my program. Like I said before, I don't have a name for it. I'm very open to names. And yes, I do realize that it does look like the Vista. That's where I got the graphics from, was the Vista speech recognition, because I had Vista. And I found it not to run my programs as well as I wanted them to, because my programs were made specifically for Windows XP. So I freaking went and got Windows XP back on, but I liked the speech recognition so much I started to work on my own. I'm like, it's not out of the realm of possibility. So I started working on my own, and I noticed it's not going to be exactly the same, not even close, at least not for a while, because I'm still working on it, and I want people that actually know how to know this field of stuff to be able to know what they're doing, so they can lend a hand. And my programs, like I said before in my videos, that all my programs are going to be free, if not open source, because I think some things in life should be free, and I believe there should be a free alternative to everything. Like you got Adobe Photoshop, great program, but there's also Gimp, which is a free Photoshop basically. It's just like Photoshop, minus some differences. And there's any video converter, it's free converter, any video converter. Cam Studio, I'm using that right now. That's a free cam recorder. That's screen recorder. That's pretty cool. And there's more. And I haven't found a free voice recognition, except for the XP voice recognition right here, Microsoft Voice. But it doesn't seem to work as good as I want it to, so I started working on this. Which, yes, you need that package if you want to work with this, but I'll give the source code out to anybody if they want it. But I'm just saying that I would like freaking people that are experienced in this kind of work to lend a hand if they can. And most likely, I'm going to be making a website soon. I don't know. I'm a little iffy on it. So I can have all my projects up there. So all the source code's easy downloadable. Instead of leaving links to my freaking program to the download spot, I'm going to be leaving links to my page, which is going to be like one page, and all the links are going to be there. It's going to show one picture. It'll show one picture, and it'll show the program, a picture of the program, and it'll show a link right next to it, and it'll leave a caption at the top saying what the program is and stuff. And it's gonna be short and simple if I decide to do it. I'm a little iffy on it right now, but anyway, I'll enjoy some support with this, and I'm happy for all my subscribers and stuff, people who've been watching me, for whether it's been Visual Basic tutorials or remixes or freaking just general videos. I'm excited that y'all are liking my videos, and I hope to y'all subscribe to this video. Subscribe to me if you haven't already, or you freaking favorite this video. Anyway, I hope to hear from y'all soon.